Okay, so I'm going to show how to use LLMs to use the Python scripting system in Blender to make quite accurate sort of drawings or 3D visualizations. So look, so this is Claude, and it's free. I'm using only the free tier. This is a desktop app, but you can use the website wide version. So what I'm asked here, so can you write a Python script for Blender to have a life-size spiral staircase with 30 steps and a stem diameter of 20 centimeters. That's all I've given it. So here is so when I click on this, it gives you the code here. And obviously you can add as much detail as you want. I just put that, and if you can modify it later. So now I'll copy that, and I'm going to put it in. Here's the scripting tab. So I create a new script, and then I paste here, and here it is. And now I press run script. And now that I go back to the modeling workspace, you can see, or layout workspace, here you see I'm clicking, now I press 0 on the numpad, so it zooms in, and here you see them, it's all selected. And if you want to take measurements of that, you use the measure tool, which I'm not like mad on yet how to use the exact measurement tools, but it will give you very accurate measurements if you want to. And you can obviously change if you don't like these, you can change the script and vary it to whatever drawings you like. So let's say if I do a new one, and I ask it to make can you write me a Python script for Blender 4.2. It helps to write down the version of Blender they're using, because I think the system changes every now and then. For Blender to make a room 5 meters deep, 6 meters long, and 4 meters tall. Can you make a normal size door frame to one of the sides, and can you make it so that the door can be opened? The door can be opened. Can you make the ceiling to be supported by structural C24 timber joists at 30 cm apart. Yeah. Right, so now it's writing it. I'm just going to go on this side. Okay, select all, delete, go to the scripting. I'm going to make a new. Oh, how do you make a new? Okay, well, I'm just going to delete all that. Right, so you can see it's writing it. Claude is writing it on the side. And it'll take a while, but when it's done, you can just copy that. And if you, you can obviously always just ask to change it afterwards. This is actually taking a little bit longer than I thought. Anyway, it's using the version Claude 3.57 Sonnet. This is a good one. I think because I'm not paying for it, it's making it slow. But this is completely free, so there's a surprisingly lot of text. And it doesn't always get it right, but okay, now it's done it. So I just click copy, and I put here and paste, and I generate. Here we are. Yeah, look. Here we are. So if I set the door and click yes, I got the door wrong last time. Oh, let's see what happens if I rotate that. Okay. So it's put the pivot point in the middle. So it's not like perfect, but you know, it's relatively good. So if I click rotate and set, you can move it. It's basically got the pivot button wrong, but that's easy. I could just change that, or I can do it manually. And yeah, you know, if I put it, let's say if it's put in a texture zone, yeah, it has made the rafters to be like made of sort of. I don't know. I think it's pretty good. So from that, you know, you can take measurements, and I think there are other software that you can make sort of, or you can get an add-on that makes like sort of sort of guides how to cut these and stuff like that. You know. Anyway, that's all for today.